If you have been on this channel for a while now, or if you are part of the Shib army, then you are probably familiar with all the speculations, rumors, and predictions surrounding this crowd's favorite meme coin, Shiba Inu. Well, even if you are new in the crypto market, chances are you have heard about the possibility of Shiba Inu hitting the $1 mark. When can this possibly happen? What are the factors that are pointing us to that direction? Should you wait for it to hit that mark before you buy, or is now the right time? All of these questions will be answered in today's video. Also, if you are a Shiba Inu holder or are planning to invest, make sure you turn all notifications on for the channel to not miss any updates. But first, I want you to keep in mind that I'm not a professional financial advisor and that there's always a risk whenever you invest in cryptocurrency or anything else for that matter, and you should always be vigilant and do your own research because, after all, it is your own money. With that said, let's get right into it. So yes, I have been talking about this possibility for a very long time already, even when the market was crashing recently. So, before we talk about that, let us first look at how Shiba Inu is performing in the market. At the moment of recording, Shiba Inu's price is at $0.00001124. There were dips, of course, but it is performing quite well compared to its prices in the past few days. Again, if you are new in this market and are still trying to find your way around, then let me tell you that these dips should not discourage or worry you. You should be able to recognize this as opportunities instead. Dips and lower prices are what will help you earn in cryptocurrency. Imagine adding Shiba Inu at such a low price, then selling it when the price is up again. That way, you will be making profit. How much more if you hold and then wait for it to hit the $1 mark? To be honest, considering the crash, the dollar price of Shiba Inu is still possible, especially if you will think about the projects and developments that they are making for this meme coin. We should also be realistic and not expect so much because although it is still possible to happen, it cannot be done right away. You can still earn anyway by swing trading. If we look back at the price of Shiba Inu when it was launched, the zeros are undeniable. But look at how it deleted zeros within a span of 2 years. It is just something to remind us that they were able to pull that off within a short period. There is also a chance that they will continuously delete zeros in the coming years until the price becomes $1. It is also relevant to mention that the burning of Shib is consistent. This can possibly affect the price in the long run because if there will be limited supply, then people will likely be more interested in getting their hands on Shiba Inu. The burning mechanism was already looking good even before the talk about Shibarium. Well, Shibarium will probably make it better. You better not wait for the supply to be limited before you buy Shib. By the time that Shiba Inu hits the $1 mark, you should already be collecting profits and not regretting not buying as early as possible. For sure, there will be a lot of things that will happen before we get to that point. The market can crash again. There might be news that will affect your decisions regarding your next investments. We are aware of how volatile the crypto market is, but like what I am always saying, you should be able to know to make reasonable steps and judgments. You cannot base your next decision in just one video. You will hear and see a lot of people sharing different opinions regarding Shiba Inu. The thing is, it is your responsibility to decipher what is possible from impossible. There will always be speculations that will make you think twice of your decision, but if you make an effort to research and learn from your experiences, then you are good to go. Remember that you will only learn in this market if you actually try. You cannot just go with the hype or with what the crowd is doing, because we have different amounts to lose and we have different things to consider. The announcement of Shibarium created a buzz and people are looking forward to all the things that it will offer in the coming months or years. Shiba Inu is really doing well with regards to how they are surviving despite the crash. I mean, the market in general experienced the bleeding, and for those that have been in this market for a while now, this is not something new. When Shiba Inu was released, the price was going well in the first few months as many people were curious and interested about it. Indeed, the charts will not move up consistently as Shiba Inu already experienced a crash before the recent one. Many people have lost so much and decided to let go of their Shib, but those people who believed and held on to their Shib later on earned so much money when Shiba Inu recovered from that crash. This is what I'm telling you. You made a good move if you decided to buy when the price was at its all-time low, because by now you might have earned some profit. Looking at how the developers of Shiba Inu are dealing with the crisis, people are only becoming more and more interested in buying Shiba Inu. It is not always about good news though, but as long as you take your time to be critical of your next steps and decisions, then you are off to a good direction. As much as we want to see the price to grow dramatically overnight, that is highly impossible. The price of $1 is indeed possible, but it will not be achieved just by a single announcement, partnership, or project. It will be achieved by the collective good news and steps that the developers are taking. Right now, we can say that the burning is playing a really big role in the success of Shiba Inu. Another thing that is contributing to this success is the loyalty of the Shib army. Also, there are more projects and collaborations coming Shiba Inu's way. You see, all of these things are affecting the price of Shib. There are a lot of indicators that are helping us see this possibility. All you have to do is look and recognize if these things will open some doors and opportunities for you. Right now, there are many factors that let us see the good performance of Shiba Inu, but we still need to be ready for unforeseen events that can affect the prices negatively. We should be able to accept this fact as well and find a relevant way to see opportunities even if you are presented with unfamiliar and unpleasant situations. All we can do for now is to wait for further updates and news regarding Shiba Inu. But I will tell you again that you should take advantage of the dips if you want to make profit in this market. Actually, there are more people that are buying Shiba Inu in the past weeks when the market was still bleeding. That just means that people saw this as a chance to have Shiba Inu in their portfolio at a lower price, and they probably saw the potential of selling it at a higher price in the future. For sure, these are not the only things that are helping Shiba Inu recover from the crash. If you also know some good news and updates that are rarely talked about, please let me know in the comments section below. For sure, I am not the only one interested in these resources. So, if you are still asking if this is a good time to buy Shiba Inu, then the answer is yes. Hitting the $1 mark is not at all impossible, but it will not happen overnight or right away. Well, for now, I hope you guys liked the content, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated, because it would be a shame if you missed a big opportunity like a giant Shiba Inu. So, until the next video guys, see you later.